Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And today I have received a new update from Samsung. Okay? And this update is here. This is a software update. Let me unlock my phone. Look at that. September 1st security patch level for 2020. Wonderful. You can see. What news? Look at that. This is what you will see on this beautiful new update. Now you can download this and install. As you can see, I'm ready to install. Click on install now and the process started. Make sure that you charge your phone and get ready. Android system update. Your phone will reboot many times. Don't worry for that. Wonderful. This is what I'm talking about. And now the update started. Get ready. This is what I'm talking about. Crazy. Wonderful. You need to wait just a few minutes. Just a few minutes for the finishing of this update. Okay, wait with me. This is Android update for Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Wonderful. Look at that. Okay. Amazing camera. Beautiful phone. Very hand-on is cool. Good. Look at that. I bought this a few years ago. Look at that. Nice iris scanner. Fingerprint. Yeah. Okay. Your S Pen is here. Wonderful. USB button. Volume up and volume down. Look at that. Okay. This is USB-C and the port jack. The speaker. This is not stereo speaker, but it's working very, very well. Thank you for that. Wonderful. The screen is also big. There are screen burning into. Look at that. Look at here. This is screen burning. This is what I don't like on Samsung devices. Okay. Almost finished. You can remove your S Pen, purge, just like that. This is my beautiful Aziz J computer. This is my HP Envy computer. Okay, beautiful S Pen, wonderful, and the update started, bro. Almost finished. Don't worry. You see what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Amazing light under this computer. It's crazy. Almost finished. Okay, wait again just a minute. Samsung. Look at that. Nice. Very good. Okay, your phone will reboot. Don't worry. The installation will start a few minutes. Now you can see Samsung here. And the LED is enabled. This is blue LED. When the LED disappears, the installation is finished. Okay? And you can ready for the update. Okay, wait with me. 1, Wonderful. Look at that. Phone is updating. Okay. Wait again a few minutes. This phone definitely very fast. Okay, almost finished. As you can see, this is not a joke. What are you doing? What are you doing? Beautiful. Autofocus. Beautiful. I'm recording this video with my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and the autofocus is amazing. Now, what? Okay, almost finished. And what? Welcome home. Let me put my password right now. And what? Welcome home. Loading. Okay, welcome. Let's check. Finishing system added. Okay, wait again. Okay, process started. Amazing. Okay, finishing. What else? Let's check. Nothing here. And what? Nothing also here. Okay, wonderful. System. Okay, settings. Wonderful, beautiful. Sort of software update, download. As you can see, your phone has been updated. Click on OK. And what? Let's see the security pad level quickly. Sort of motion. And this is on the 9 when it on 1. And the security pad level is now September 1st, 2020. This is a brand new update that I received right now. I decided to share this to you. Okay. Camera. Open camera. No problem with camera. It's working. Nice. No problem. Okay. All of this working very well. I recommend you to restart your phone again. Okay. Restart. And what? This screen is pretty big, 6.2 inches. Not bad. This is the brand new Android update for Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Let me put my password. And what? Welcome home. 6 GB of RAM in 2, 32 GB, 64 GB in the internal storage. This guy is so big and so crazy. Okay, thank you for watching. I also bet you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Get ready for the next video. I love you all. Subscribe today.